Introducing MultiMarketer, the world's first ChatGPT-powered multi-channel autoresponder. That combines the power of email, SMS, and WhatsApp to skyrocket your reach, sales, and profits. Plus, our intelligent AI writes all your emails, SMS messages, WhatsApp messages in seconds without having to manually write them yourself. Create, schedule, and broadcast unlimited messages across multi-channels and start dominating your market in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Upload your existing list or collect leads using our 3-in-1 auto opt-in tech for email, SMS, WhatsApp. Step number 2. Use our ChatGPT-powered algorithm to write unique, high-converting, sales-getting messages and emails in just seconds. Step number 3. Broadcast our messages and emails across all channels instantly with a single click. Skyrocket your profits and grow your business 24/7. See how easy it is to use HookGPT. Watch demo next.
Hello my JV friends, I'm back again with another big moneymaker launch for you. First, I want to thank you all for the amazing support. You guys are my lifeline. So back to the launch. I want to invite you to my next big and sure shot converter launch. This app is an advanced marketing app that every businesses are currently using and will always use. Something that every marketer, even an offline marketer, use. Also, if you're not updated with this new AI digital era, you will be left all alone. This is very important for every business to be updated with latest marketing trends in order to be in the game. You agree, right? So that's where our product comes in. We have made it so brilliant that this marketing tool can bridge the gap between AI technology and traditional marketing method. Name of my product is AI MultiMarketer, and this is a brilliant app that bridges gap between AI and marketing. This leverages marketing power of email, SMS, and WhatsApp and makes complete use of ChatGPT-3's advanced marketing copy to give you 10x, in fact, ultimate results. This is like world's first AI-powered multi-channel autoresponder for email, SMS, and WhatsApp with unlimited usage. It works in just 3 steps. First, upload your list. Second, tell AI what you want to sell. Third, just click the send button and see your wallet stuffing big commissions. Amazing, right? So you know that I have done over 50 plus offers which got deal of the day and over $3.5 million plus in launch revenue. So I know how to put the magic into the launch and make you big money. Just like my last launch, this is going to be a big one, a big money maker for you. Trust me, you're gonna make at least 4 figures in just few hours. So please mark the date, March 25, 10 AM EST. Your wallets will be filled with 4-figure commission in just few hours. All you need to do is to send couple of mails, that's it. So please block your dates, as that's gonna make you big money and make your customers big money as well. Bye-bye.
Thank a lot for watching this video. Click on the link given into this video description to claim your digital license and get instant access now.